What's up, Mark from Tub Talk Reviews, and today we are looking at the RelxTime 6-person Square Inflatable Hot Tub. In this video, we're going to go over our pros and cons, as well as go over some basic features that you want to know about this inflatable hot tub. Now, RelxTime makes several different models of this inflatable hot tub. They have a 2-person model up to this 6-person model. They did send us this one for free, but rest assured, we are going to give you a completely honest review. We're going to tell you what we like, as well as what we did not like about this inflatable hot tub in particular. Let's get into it. Down in the description below this video, there's a link for this inflatable hot tub if you want to make a purchase. Now, do know that if you make a purchase with this affiliate link, we may earn a commission. But as I said before, we're keeping this as honest as possible, and just to show you that, we're going to start with the pros and cons of this inflatable hot tub. So moving on to some of the things that I like about this inflatable hot tub is that it is a good budget inflatable hot tub. And what I mean by that is you're gonna get a lot of space for the price you're paying, especially if you're comparing it to brands like Coleman or Intex or any others. This one is priced really well, and you're gonna save about $200 to $400 if you go with the RelxTime brand. It's only gonna cost you about $519. And it comes with a 6-month warranty on the liner and on the cover, and a 1-year warranty on the pump and heating mechanism. Another thing I really liked about this inflatable hot tub were the accessories that came with it. It came with a bag. It comes with this cool mat right here, which I didn't think would actually be that great of a thing, but when you're actually getting in and out of the hot tub, you want a place that you can drip on. And we keep one of our inflatable hot tubs in the garage, and I'm excited to be able to bring this one into the garage and use it with this mat. Another thing that it comes with is a bag. We've actually traveled with our inflatable hot tubs several times. Having a dedicated bag that you can use to move it around is going to be extremely helpful. Super excited for that. And lastly, one of the accessories that I saw on this inflatable hot tub that we have yet to see on another inflatable hot tub is that it has some seats on the inside. I don't know how completely sold I am on these seats. They are a good addition, and you can sit on them and find some comfort from them. But this inflatable hot tub doesn't have a padded bottom the way some of the other ones do. So either you're getting the seats or you're getting the padded bottom, whichever works better for you. It just goes to show it's kind of a preference thing. If not, you can remove the seat and you can sit on the bottom, and that is also a comfortable and good way to sit on it. At the end of the day, I'd say that the seats are better than not having the seats. It's something that you can use, and if you choose to not use it, it is still equally comfortable. So overall, a good addition for the RelxTime inflatable hot tub. Another thing that I love about this inflatable hot tub is the space-saving feature of having the heater built to the inside of the unit. On the back side is the heater. It doesn't stick out like you might see on some other brands. It's built on the inside, and you can save a lot of space because of this. Overall, this also gives it a sleeker and just better look than the ones that have a heater on the outside. The other thing I like about this inflatable hot tub is it has all of the general hot tub functions. You get in, you can sit, you can relax, you get the massage bubbles, and it's gonna feel good, and you're gonna experience what you would from a traditional hot tub for like a fraction of the price. You literally save yourself thousands of dollars by going with an inflatable hot tub versus a traditional hot tub. So that's why I really like inflatable hot tubs altogether, and this inflatable hot tub has all those features, so it's a great pick. The next thing I like about this tub is that it's rated for colder weather. I believe that it's rated for down to 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a slight margin over some other models that we've looked at, so this is something to consider. Finally, the last thing was the setup was extremely easy. You pretty much plug it in, fill it up with air, and you just connect the hose from the control mechanism back there back into the inflatable hot tub, and it blows itself up. You don't have to screw a bunch of parts together. This thing is that easy. I really loved it. It takes 10 minutes or less. Normally we go through a whole setup process for these videos. I'm not even gonna bother with that. If you are interested in a more detailed setup, I'll include a link in the description below for a setup guide from RelxTime that makes it extremely simple, more simple than it already is, if that's something you need, but I'm telling you, you probably don't even need it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now let's move on to the cons, and there definitely were a few. The first being that it took quite a while to heat up. It took over 24 hours, which is quite different than some of the other inflatable hot tubs that we've looked at. Now, once it did get up to that 104 degrees that we were heating it up to, it was just fine. With that in mind, this inflatable hot tub was still very warm, and it was very relaxing to be able to sit in and enjoy. One of the other cons is that the filters got dirty really quickly. We sat in the inflatable hot tub one time, and then we came back a day and a half later, and we noticed that it was off, and we had to go in and take the filters out, clean them, and let the inflatable hot tub reheat. Typically it shouldn't take that long. We haven't had quite that issue again, so maybe it was just a one-time issue, but it was something we noticed and it was a little bit of a bummer. But now that it's up and running again, it's been going just fine. The third and final thing that I add to the cons is that this didn't have any kind of Chem Connect where you can put your chemicals into it. Sometimes you'll see a little ball or something that you can screw right onto the side of the inflatable hot tub. This did not have that. At the end of the day though, this isn't a huge deal, as you can just drop your chemicals in and they will get mixed into the water. But it is just something that's pretty simple and would have been a nice addition. Moving into some general info about this inflatable hot tub is that it is rated to fit up to 6 people, but I'd say that you can fit 4 more comfortably. You could put 6 in here, but you're gonna be a little cramped like sardines. And this is pretty standard with inflatable hot tubs. They say that they can fit more than they truly do, but my recommendation would be probably don't try to put more than 4 grown adults. Maybe you could fit like 3 kids and 3 adults in here, but if you're trying to put 6 adults in here, it's not going to work out too well and you're going to feel rather cramped. Next, it has 130 bubble jets. I wish these were just a little bit stronger, but this is a bigger inflatable hot tub, so that is to be expected, that it's just not spreading the width of the hot tub, or the length of the hot tub I should say, but overall they worked really well and people are going to enjoy them. This thing is 73 inches by 73 inches. You're going to keep that in mind as you're finding space to set this thing up. Additionally, it will hold 240 gallons of water. It will take a little bit over an hour for you to fill it up. And that is it for the RelxTime Square 6-person inflatable hot tub. Overall, I thought this was a great choice, especially for the price that people are going to be paying for it. You get a lot of good hot tub use out of this, and it has that heating mechanism on the inside, which I think is just a valuable addition. I can't tell you how often I'm messing with the screws and knobs in the control unit on some of our other inflatable hot tubs, and I don't have to deal with that on this. Additionally, I think we're going to be adding this inflatable hot tub to some of our best lists, so be on the lookout for it there. So overall, I think this is a really great price. You're going to be hard pressed to find a model that compares to it, especially for one of this size. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope that this coverage of the RelxTime inflatable hot tub has been helpful, that it's been beneficial. If it has, go ahead and like and subscribe. That really helps us out a lot. And if you are interested in this inflatable hot tub, be sure to check out that link down in the description below. We may be able to help you save some money. The prices on these things are changing all of the time. But at the end of the day, I really hope this video has just been helpful, and I hope that you can find the inflatable hot tub that is going to work best for you and your situation. Thanks again for watching, and happy hot tubbing.